to input SIM card into the Redmi A7 Pro, first of all, you will have to prepare the SIM ejection tool that you can find in the box. Now you'll have to rotate your phone, and as you can see on the left upper corner on the frame, we can find that SIM ejection tool. SIM slot. So we have to insert this tool over here, like so, and take a look. Now just grab it with your 2 fingers and gently press. Now remove tool, grab this with your fingers, and as you can see, we can find place for 2 SIM cards. So we can place them wherever we want, just like this. I'm gonna show you even closer to the camera. That looks just like that. Now we have to just grab your phone and input it just like this. Do this gently, slowly. And now when it's inside, you can push with your finger. That's how it looks when you properly apply this. And now you will have to input a SIM card into your phone. You have to unlock your phone. And right now, as you can see, we successfully input both SIM cards into our phone.